So, Heath, now 1 to 5 we already cover in our one particular clip. Now we are going to discuss 6 to 10. So, the sixth question is, what kind of expensive things do people like to buy?
Well, sir, people love to buy a number of costly things such as um, costly cars, costly gadgets such as mobile phones, laptops, smartwatches. Apart from it, people love to buy branded clothes which are at highest cost. So these are the sort of things which people love to buy, and they are very costly.
Okay. Now, the second question, what's the best invention in the past 100 years?
Well, sir, as per my observation, in the past century, the most significant invention which has been done is the invention of mobile phone, because since the mobile phone has been invented, our life has become very easy and convenient, and we can talk with anyone no matter in which corner of the earth we are, and this is the most easy way of communication, so I consider it the most crucial invention of the past century.
Now, the eighth question, what kind of prizes do students get?
Well, sir, as per my point of view, for students for their academic qualifications and academic achievements, they get medals and certificates. But in non-academic achievements, they get trophies and appreciation. So this kind of appreciation and medals and gifts they get.
Okay. Now, the second last question. At what age should children start learning a foreign language?
Well, sir, as per my own observation, I can say that students can start learning any foreign language from the age of 15, because at that point of age they have learned their mother tongue very nicely, so they can easily convert any foreign language in their mother tongue and understand it. Apart from it, they have got enough maturity to understand such language. So I consider the age of 15 and onwards the best age to learn any foreign language for children.
Okay, now the last one. What decisions do people make every day and why?
Well, sir, there are a number of decisions which are taken by people, but mainly people love to take decisions that what kind of food they should intake on daily basis, and apart from it, they take decisions that with whom they are going to meet. So these are the mainly two decisions which people take on daily basis.
Okay, thank you. Great.